we're not packed. Eli's trying to do some creative. Anyways, we've been working around the clock. It's all systems go, but we're almost there. Wait till you see our rod shoe. We've got like 30 rods with us. Anyways, and we have to leave. We're 20 minutes behind schedule to get to the airport. So you can see the size of that rod tube. It's massive. And I guess we'll find out if we've maxed all of our baggage once we get there.
What's in here? Where's everyone's passport?
I've got my passport.
Off you go. Miss flight.
No, we're sweet.
See you, Harry.
Well, after a bit of a drama getting our rods through, we have finally met up with Jake. Hey, bro. Yeah, Dougie. Yeah. Well, being a new startup company, in 5 minutes' time, our brand new Death Rider stick baits go live. And Eli next to us is about to start working from his phone to activate them to send them live. And one of the cool things about being a small little business like ours is obviously all these adventures are so much fun, but it's everything in the mix. It's just genuinely we're having the best time, so we're going to go and try and find a bar, quickly activate these new lures. So we've just dropped our brand new floating stick bait in the airport in preparation for our New Zealand trip. And like I was mentioning before, this is one of the funnest things about our company. We're a tiny little startup and we just do so much stuff on the fly, whether it's traveling, last minute adventures, last minute work on the laptops. And there's hundreds and hundreds of people on the site right now because we can see it live. So we want to say a massive thanks to everyone that supports our brand, because we couldn't do these adventures that we're about to do if it wasn't for you guys jumping on board and helping us out. Okay, time for a beer. You guys have a shuttle that goes from the hotel to the airport?
Hello.
We arrived. So funny, I said at the start of this trip, I was like, boys, let's eat as healthy as we can. Pure health.
First 10 minutes.
But no, we've arrived at our little, this is just our stopover before we pick up the mighty bongo van tomorrow. We haven't actually given it a name yet. We're going to name it tomorrow. So we're going to basically spend the night here at this little motel, mung on some food, get a few hours sleep, and then in the morning go and pick up the bongo bus. And then we're going to head straight north to meet Dennis and Mike from OTL.
What are you going to do?
Okay, first things first, clean the bloody toothpaste off your face.
You're joking. Alright.
Look at the bag.
Look at this thing, it's huge.
You always leave him in here.
We're on the road. We've pulled up at Mike's place, so you might know he makes those OTL stick baits, awesome lures and poppers. And we found them.
Eli.
Where are we? It's nice out here, man.
Yeah?
The second you get out of the city.
Yeah, once you're out of the city, yeah, it's quite diamond here, right?
Hey, brother. Good to see you, man.
Oh, yeah.
Good. You're looking
Hey,
sunburned,
bro, Eli.
How you going?
Nice meeting you.
How you going, mate? Shannon.
Hey, mate, how's it going?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Speaking.
Hey there, it's Tristan here. We just were wondering if one of our friends left a bag there today when we picked up a van. It was one of our friends. He might have left the bag either out in the car park or in the foyer.
They should just hand it to the bus driver and he just gives it to you.
Can't. What?
You gotta help me get this up and we'll film
Dude.
it.
I'm going to be covered in mozzies, eh?
Clean that room.
Get him, Shannon.
Well, good morning. It feels extremely good to be in a boat and not on land. And we're heading out with Johnny from Black Dog Cats. We've got Mike from OTL. We're in two, they're 5.5 metre black dogs. And we're going to be heading out to some jigging pins. Now, I've seen a bit of content from these pins and it looks insane. Big kingies out there, full of jigging gear. We've got some top water gear and snapper gear for the afternoon. So we're going to head on out both boats and see how we go. We'll catch you out there. You.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga. Move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass bitch, nigga. I come back with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun that I changed straight from the dog shit. No tape when I'm playing with the black gun, nigga. You ain't never been a gun since the last run. No stance in the place that show. A lot of niggas tell me that I never really own. Track to the place, back, nigga. Tell me that I'm like a nigga, but my flow sicker. Call me, call me, call me. I'm calling, call me, call me, call me. Shit, yeah. Dressed like a motherfucking god when I reach the spot. Niggas always tell me that I made it from the empty slot. Change ways, niggas, no truth, no plot. Fuck a whack brand, no top, no spot. Chase all day to the thoughts in the back. With my niggas fuck bitches in the back of the cab. Claim riches, but a nigga been whack. Never talk, boy, with your fake ass stack. Cash, talking about cash, nigga. When I throw that shade, catch, nigga. Last time when I talk to a man, well shit. Run quick, slash for the neck, nigga. No, I gotta make it out the cold for the best show. Please don't try, never show my back. Bitch, don't cry, just move that tag. That's trash, thought I never really say this. Call my music on my ex-bitch playlist. Bitches say 613, that's the greatest. But I never see no niggas ever famous. Facts boy, leg boy, trash boy. 10 fake babe, pretty face ass boy. No, I tell these.
Nice gemfish is kingfish bycatch.
Never sit, so I'm never nah slick, nigga. Watch me leave this place you stay. Think about the fall you made. Change the fucking shit you say. I may be back another day.
We've come back out to this jigging mark. It was shut down this morning. We've sent down the drunk skunks and they've produced the goods. Three-way on some rather, they're okay. They're good for Australian standards.
Yeah.
Good kingies, but not NZ spec. We'll get them back in the water. 10 kilo.
These are good.
About 8k, I'd say.
Fuck, there's no close hitting the bloke.
I don't know if you guys can see, but Jake, who is used to North Queensland micro jigging, is getting his ass handed to him. Hey Jake, what do you think of kingies?
Hey?
What do you think of kingies? Good. Are they as good as Nanagai?
Hey?
Are they as good as Nanagai and coral trout?
I don't know about trout.
Oh, he's a good fish, man. Oh, that's a donkey on the, that's on the light setup on the 4 to 6. Wow.
What it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes. You went into me.
It's pretty close to the boat, eh?
You got a net? I think I turned his head.
You dog.
You call me baby then?
You dog.
Say yeah, babe. Holy bejeebers,
I
man!
think you hooked a shark, man.
No.
Shark on
Big
puppy,
snapper,
man.
big snapper. That's a big snapper. That is a proper NZ snapper, man.
What is it, man?
Bro, it's a big snapper. How good is this right now? End of the day, sun setting, probably about to pull hooks. Oh, he's doing weird shit.
You got a shark?
I don't know. Oh, it's a bloody...
Yeah, you hooked a shark on a plucky.
Man, look at that snapper, that is massive.
That's a big snapper,
Shannon,
man.
film that snapper. Look at that, man.
Those have teeth, those ones, or not? They look very teethy. Look at that gummy shark, man. You got a gummy shark in New Zealand.
Come, give me my line back.
Get up, move me. I think this might be another little Trev. Yeah, little Trevor. Right in the shallow water, let him go, eh?
Barbecue.
Sashimi!
What a day that was. I want to say massive thanks to Johnny from Black Dog Cats for taking us out and Mike from OTL Lures. It was a slow day at start, but eventually the Kings turned on and then we managed to snap it in close there. And now we're just ending the day here in the river. We're about to go back to base camp. Dennis is cooking some sausages and then we're going to call it a night and probably hit it again in the morning. So I'll keep you posted along the way. Thanks for watching.
Oh yes! Yeah! We almost got a three-way here. Jake's hooked up in the background. I'm gonna do a nice king on our